Okay guys, so let's get started. First of all, we need to download this application, Speedify. I downloaded the modded one. I will drop the link down below. This is the modded one, the uh, crack, the crack or hack one. So let's check the current internet speed. This is without Speedify. This is just the Wi-Fi. With just the Wi-Fi, it counts 10 MB per second. Let's try with Speedify, with data, with both data and Wi-Fi together at once. So you wait, connecting. Wi-Fi is active. Now you have to turn on the mobile data. This is for the Wi-Fi. You can also set the speed rate of the Ethernet or Wi-Fi speed with this app. So now they are both active now. So let's try it again. We are going to try the speed again. With this time with both the data and Wi-Fi connected at once. As you can see, this is both the Wi-Fi and the data at once. It counts 29 MB per second, far better than the Wi-Fi only, which is the first one. There are also some cool features, which is